Hi, in this video I would like to show you how the shopping list works in Wimely. It's pretty straightforward. If you add items, they are categorized automatically, and we have some default categories that are sorted by how a typical grocery store is organized. You can also add a custom category, which could be a specific shop, and create a list for that. We also have a standard list on the shopping list. This is kind of the basic items that you would shop every week. So it's pretty useful when you plan for weekly shopping, and you can simply press the plus button to add items to your shopping list. If you press multiple times, it just increases the quantity. The shopping list is also integrated with the meal plan, so you can see where items are coming from, if it's coming from a meal plan entry. And on the meal plan, you can see if you already purchased all the ingredients for a specific recipe. Then on the shopping list, you also have these quantity buttons, so you can increase or decrease the quantity very easily. And you have direct search links to online grocery stores here. And you can select in the settings which online grocery store you use, or turn it off if you don't use it. Then for people going to an actual grocery store, we have this keep screen on button, and this is pretty useful because it prevents your phone from going to sleep when you go through the grocery store. And that's basically it.